Salesforce Space Station.
Hi guys, in today's video, we are going to create a joint report in Salesforce. Joint report is designed to show two unrelated reports in one view. If you think about the Salesforce data model, there are many objects that don't naturally gel together. Not even custom report types can solve it. Take opportunities and cases for example. There's no way you would be able to see both an account's related opportunities and related cases in one view without joint reports. In this tutorial, we will be creating a report that shows three blocks. The first one is the account report, the second one is the cases related to the account, and the third one is the opportunities related to the account. This would be used by Salesforce users who want to know which accounts have cases so that they don't annoy already frustrated customers with conversations about services and renewals. This example is only possible because there is a common relationship. You can just jump together completely unrelated objects and hope a joint report as the outcome. So in this scenario, we have the cases are related to the account and the opportunities are related to the account as well. So let's first create a Salesforce report, then we will transform it into a joint report format type. So I'm going to click the reports tab, and now I'm going to click the new report. So in here, just select the first one, the accounts report type, and then click continue. Okay, so we're going to transform it to a joint report by clicking the drop down button right next to report, click joint report, and then apply. Okay, so I'm gonna remove some of the fields that I don't need on this report, like type, rating, last modified, and then I'm gonna put it in here. Now I'm gonna click the add block to add the case report type. Click add block, and then I'm gonna click the add block again for the opportunities. Okay, so once done, you can also filter this report. So let's say for the accounts, I want to select the all accounts, click apply, and then created date should be all time. And for the cases, I want to get all the open cases, just the open cases, so not equal to closed. Apply. And for the opportunities, I want to get all the opportunities related to the account, created date, all time, apply. Okay, now I'm going back to the outline, and then I'm gonna group this all together by dragging this account name and then putting it under the group across blocks, and select the subtotals. All right, so in here I'm gonna remove some of the fields that I don't need, put the account name in here, and for the cases, case owner, that's fine, subject, that's fine. All right, so once done, you just have to run this report to see where cases and opportunities overlap by account. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this content. Thanks so much for watching.
Salesforce Space Station.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos.